Click on the link below to get price. Amazon Prefab Home. In recent years, the idea of owning a prefab home has gained significant traction, and Amazon has become a go-to platform for purchasing these innovative living solutions. Prefab homes offer a blend of modern design, convenience, and affordability, making them an attractive option for a wide range of buyers. Among the top picks on Amazon, the Sins Mobile Steel Design Modular Portable Flat Pack Prefabricated Homes. Double-Story Barn Homes 2024. Folding Prefab House Expandable Tiny Home for Adults, and CQ Double-Story, Fully Equipped Bathroom and Kitchen Tiny Prefab Container House stand out for their unique features and benefits. 1. Sins Mobile Steel Design Modular Portable Flat Pack Prefabricated Homes. The Sins Mobile Steel Design Modular Portable Flat Pack Prefabricated Homes are designed with versatility and portability in mind. Constructed from high-quality steel, these homes are both durable and resistant to various environmental conditions. The modular design allows for easy assembly and disassembly, making it a perfect choice for those who need a flexible living solution that can be moved to different locations as needed. 2. Double-Story Barn Homes 2024. Folding Prefab House, Expandable Tiny Home for Adults. The Double-Story Barn Homes 2024. Folding Prefab House Expandable Tiny Home for Adults brings a touch of rustic charm to modern prefab living. This expandable home combines the aesthetic appeal of a traditional barn with the functionality of a contemporary living space. Its foldable design allows for easy expansion, providing ample room for families or individuals who require more space. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the innovative design makes it a standout choice for those seeking a unique living experience. 3. SEQ Double-Story Fully Equipped Bathroom and Kitchen Tiny Prefab Container House. The SEQ Double-Story Fully Equipped Bathroom and Kitchen Tiny Prefab Container House offers a compact yet luxurious living environment. This prefab home is fully equipped with modern amenities, including a complete kitchen and bathroom, ensuring that residents have everything they need for comfortable living. The container house design provides excellent durability and strength, making it suitable for a variety of settings, from urban environments to remote areas. What stands out the most? Portability, easily transported and set up in different locations. Durability, made from high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Quick installation, can be assembled quickly, reducing construction time. Customizability, modular design allows for personalization and customization. Energy efficiency, equipped with energy-efficient technologies. Sustainability, use of eco-friendly materials and construction practices. Low maintenance, durable construction requires minimal upkeep. Modern design, sleek and contemporary aesthetics. Versatility, suitable for various settings from urban to rural areas. Comfort, designed for optimal comfort with modern amenities. Safety, built to meet safety standards and regulations. Innovation, incorporates the latest in building technology and design. Space efficiency, maximizes use of space with smart design. Investment, prefab homes can increase property value over time. Flexibility can be relocated or expanded as needed. Technical specifications. A. Sins Mobile Steel Design. Modular Portable Flat Pack. Prefabricated Homes. Material high-quality steel dimensions 20 feet x 10 feet, expandable. Energy features, solar panels, insulated walls. Amenities, basic kitchen and bathroom setup. B. Double-Story Barn Homes 2024. Folding Prefab House Expandable Tiny Home for Adults. Material, reinforced steel and wood dimensions 30 feet x 20 feet, expandable. Energy features, solar power, rainwater harvesting. Amenities, spacious living area, modern kitchen. C. SEQ Double-Story Fully Equipped Bathroom and Kitchen, Tiny Prefab Container House. Material, steel container. Dimensions, 40 feet, x 20 feet, 2 stories. Energy features, advanced HVAC system, energy-efficient lighting. Amenities, fully equipped kitchen, luxurious bathroom. Pros and cons. Pros, portable and flexible living solutions, durable and long-lasting construction. Quick and easy assembly, customizable to fit individual needs, eco-friendly and energy efficient. Cons: initial cost may be higher compared to traditional homes' limited customization in some models. Zoning and permit requirements can vary. Where to buy? You can purchase the Amazon Prefab home from major online retailers like Amazon, where a variety of models and designs are available to suit different preferences and needs. To summarize, the Amazon Prefab home offers a modern, sustainable, and efficient solution for contemporary living. With top picks like the Sins mobile steel design, modular portable flat-pack prefabricated homes, double-story barn homes 2024, folding prefab house expandable tiny home for adults, and SEQ double-story fully equipped bathroom and kitchen tiny prefab container house, there's a perfect option for everyone. These homes provide numerous benefits, including quick installation, energy efficiency, and customizability, making them a worthwhile investment for those seeking a high-quality living experience. Click on the link below to get price.